Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to play PUBG Mobile on your laptop with BlueStacks. First, navigate to the official BlueStacks website using your web browser. Download the latest version of the emulator, ensuring your system meets the minimum requirements, which typically include at least 4 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. This initial step is crucial for a smooth gaming experience. After BlueStacks is successfully installed, open the application. You will find a familiar interface, much like an Android tablet. Locate and click on the Google Play Store icon. In the Play Store, use the search bar at the top to type PUBG Mobile and press Enter. Select the official game from the search results and click Install. The game will download and install automatically, just as it would on any Android device, preparing you for battle. BlueStacks offers robust game control mapping, often pre-configured for popular titles like PUBG Mobile. However, for optimal performance, you should customize these settings. Access the Game Controls menu, usually found on the right sidebar, to adjust keybinds for movement, shooting, and inventory. Experiment with different layouts to find what feels most natural for you. Additionally, fine-tune your mouse sensitivity to ensure precise aiming and quick reactions during intense firefights. To maximize your PUBG Mobile experience on BlueStacks, optimize its performance settings. Go into the BlueStacks settings, typically accessible via the gear icon. Here, you can allocate more CPU cores and RAM to the emulator. For example, assigning 4 CPU cores and 8 GB of RAM can significantly improve fluidity. Also, enable high frame rates, aiming for 90 frames per second if your monitor supports it. Finally, ensure your graphics drivers are up to date for the best visual fidelity and stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.